Hi, I wanted to show you ways in which you can promote events both through Egg CMS and on your Facebook page. Now, you can certainly just do a post and mention your information as an event on Facebook, for instance, but I want to show you that events have a little bit more functionality if you actually schedule it as an event versus just a post. So, how do you do an event on a Facebook page? In your status bar here where you go to put in information, you'll see up here there's some options here for offer an event. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Click on event. And here is where you can give your event a name, some details. In this where section, it's really nice because if the location where you're having the event is a Facebook page, it'll actually bring a map up right to that location. So it's nice. You don't have to type out, take a left on 4th Street and so forth. So that makes it really convenient. Also, for those of you using eMarketplace or if you have an outside link that is accepting tickets, you can add a link right there and that'll bring people right to the registration. So it makes it kind of easier for the end user, gives them a little bit more information, makes it a little bit easier for you to get the information. And I just want to show you what that looks like on the back end. So if I were to go to an actual page, and let me go to some events here. I'm looking at some events in my feed. So let's just click on, there's an event here, and you'll see that this particular event, it also adds the current temperature. So that's kind of nice. For people to know what the temperature is for your event. Because again, if you enter that map location, it's going to be able to pull that up for you. You can give as much information as you want here, additional links. And here is this location right here where it brings you right to the map, and it makes it really easy for people to go ahead and get directions or view that on the map. Another functionality of events in Facebook is that you can invite people. People can indicate if they're going, maybe, or decline. So that's kind of nice. I mean, people don't have to stick to that. It's not a formal RSVP system, but sometimes it can give you a snapshot of what your attendance is going to look like. So now we can also do events in Egg CMS. And how you can do that, I'm just going to back up one here, go to the Contents tab. I'm on the Master Gardener homepage. And you can simply just add new event. And I'll show you what that looks like when you're setting it up. Okay, again, you can give it a title, a description if you'd like. You can give it a location, and the start time and end time. And what's nice about this is that it'll automatically drop off your site once the event has passed. So you don't have to manually manage. Once that event is over, you don't have to delete it. Also gives you some flexibility here. Just like with the normal visual editor, you can add images, you can add links, you can add files. So you get a lot of depth here in what you can add. All these other things are optional, but if you wanted to recommend who should attend this event, you could do that here. If there's an outside web address you want to direct people to further information, you can certainly do that, along with contact name, email, and so forth. So let's go ahead and see what an event actually looks like in Egg CMS. I just did a test one here. You'll see in my contents tab there's a little looks like a little calendar icon. So what I had done is just did up a mock event here, and so it's showing that you can use images, you can have all the information and so forth, links to outside resources or a map if you'd like. But what's nice is at the very minimum it's just going to give you this information here. And what I like is that it's got these options that can save things right to your calendar, whether you're on like an Apple device or like a PC. So if I click on this VCal, what it does, it brings up a dialog box. It's going to save this right to my Microsoft Outlook calendar. And so you'll see here it saves it right there. And so then I'll have a reminder that this event is on my calendar. So it makes it really handy for the end user. If you have any questions about using events in Facebook or in Egg CMS, please contact Bob Birch or myself.